John Street. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to design your landing page in Blogger. So, first things first is to create your Blogger account. If you don't have a Blogger account, go to Gmail first, then go to gmail.com and create a Gmail account. Once you've done that, then proceed in creating your Blogger account. How do you create Blogger account? Go to blogger.com. So once it opens, then go to create your blog. Then it will ask you to log in. It will ask you to log in to your Google account. So I'll be logging into my Google account. So once you log into your Google account, I will name my John Stream Tech. I will use the same John Stream Tech as my blogspot URL. So it's available. See. Then my name is I will put John Stream as my display name. My Blogger account is being created, processing. So once processed, they will not take me display name updated, correct. So once you enter here, you close this and you can read it if you want. Close it. Then the next thing you need to do is for you to start creating your landing page. There are several ways to do it. It's either you use the already made template that is on Blogger. So depending on what you are selling or the reason you want to make your landing page, so you decide and you choose. So you decide and you choose. There are few templates which perform really well for landing page, like this awesome ink. It performs well for landing pages, but you need to really put a lot of design, CSS, JavaScript for you to be able to achieve this. Then there are other templates you can use. You can use this travel. This travel is okay too. So far I only recommend travel and awesome ink. When you choose them, they can really give you a very good landing page. Okay, let's choose awesome ink. Then we customize this. We choose this one. That's some color this thing. Then let's go to post and add a single post. I'll call this Welcome to Downstream Tech. Here at we give you amazing tech updates. Label. So once you've created this thing, let's view it. This is how it's looking. This is how it's looking. So I hope you understand this video. In our next video, we're talking about how to design your landing page, how to customize your landing page with a blogger. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel so we can dish out more videos like this.